Hey, welcome back to Chamberlain Family Farms. So I've already gotten the rabbit water bottles and I'm bringing them out some new ones now. Got to make sure you keep them bunnies where they keep drinking. And as you can see, it is snowing again here in the Ohio Valley this morning. This is the day after Christmas. Hope you all had a Merry Christmas. And man, it got cold. So, of course, we came out check on these animals several times. And just like I said before, these rabbits, they love the cold. They thrive in this cold. So, none of them was huddled up together. None of them was freezing. They was all lively and hopping around. Just trying to put a water bottle in there. They just all happy and jumping and just happy as they can be. Wasn't you? That's Bucky. That's our Flemish giant New Zealand. He said he wants some of that water. You gotta quit flipping your bowl around there, Bucky. Look at all that you're wasting down there. You still got some of it, which is some extra. Go. Just playing with snow a little bit. Like I said, it was like -9, 40 degrees wind chill. Chickens, they were doing awesome. Like I said before, which I'll take you out there real quick. So I always leave the bedding and the manure in the fall, right? I might clean it once there early mid-fall. But I'll leave it there after and let it build up, all that manure. And what that does, that builds up a huge heat source, right? Right under them. Keeps them warm. Now they got good ventilation on top. What are you guys crying about? I think it's time to eat. So this is my chicken coop. Goes under. It's got the place where you can get the eggs. Now if you look up under the roof, now the wind, it don't usually go up in here unless it's like real bad. But even that has just got a small section. But as you can see up here at the top, in the gables, it goes clean through. Now this allows for good ventilation. You can see they're all in here happy. And guys, it's actually fairly warm in here, really, even with that ventilation. Because you got all that chicken manure and bedding and everything, and it just releasing the heat up, right? Just constantly. And of course they're putting more down. Plus they got their own heat. So these guys are doing great. Yeah.
Gonna come down.
Hey, butthead. Yeah, we'll get you guys taken care of next. So it's going to get up to like 60 degrees in like 4 or 5 days. So, man, it's crazy here in the Ohio Valley. Everybody's always saying about the extreme temperature from one to another. It's always been like that here. I don't know what it is. I guess it just follows the Ohio River or something, the weather, and we get sometimes from the north and sometimes from the south. Just never know what you're going to get. We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.